Today we're going to learn about the letter H.
Good afternoon. Can I sit with you?
Sure. I thought you were doing homework.
Yeah, I'm almost done with it. Look, it's a pretty heart.
That's great. Hey, I have an idea. Let's write down the word heart.
That's a great idea, Dave. Let's write it down. H-E-A-R-T. Heart.
That looks just about right. Hey, why don't we look at other things that begin with the letter H?
Oh, goody. I really like learning about letters. Let's start.
This is a harp. It's a huge musical instrument, and it sounds really nice. The word harp starts with the letter H. This one is a hammer. Your dad probably has one. A hammer is a tool. Hammer begins with the letter H. This is a hamster. It's a cute little pet animal. Hamster begins with the letter H. This chicken's a girl. It's called a hen. Hen starts with the letter H. Do you like horses, Candy? I like horses. Horses are big animals that run very fast. The word horse starts with the letter H.
Now I'm finished with my homework. I learned a lot from you today, Dave. Thank you.
Hey, Candy, homework starts with the letter H too.
You're right, Dave. Thanks again.
You're welcome. I told you, learning is always fun. Did you have fun learning about the letter H?